Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
It was a heartbreaking decision. And now it's even more heartbreaking when I see how much love I have received from all the Goans across the world and how many are Indians across India and how many people across the world. Truly heartbreaking decision. I feel guilty in many ways. Unfortunately, yes, it's done and dusted. And for this will also allow us to live a less stressful life, but also to help others who are being harassed. Because when we help others, there's no way officials can harass us because we have nothing to do in Goa. I think the exact point probably came a few months ago when we had one deputy collector harassing us variously, then we had the police harassing us, then we had a GST department harassing us. And keep in mind, we are the only computerized business fully in Goa. We don't hide tax, we don't do anything because we're truly nationalists. Keep in mind, I'm the one who sued the Queen of England to bring back the Kohinoor diamond. We are not simple people. We are absolute nationalists. The IAS officers, to be fair, have been absolutely brilliant. They have helped us right, left, and center. The local officials, I won't say anything about because they were quite bad.
Are you saying that the Goan officers have become the biggest impediment in the growth of a Goan businessman?
Yes, and I'll explain why. You know, when you socialize, you are going to meet me, another Goan. So, in business, if my social level comes and does business, I don't want him to succeed. Hence this crab mentality that we are very famous for. But it exists everywhere in the world. It's not so different in Goa. But the fact is, you don't want your own associate to come up above you because you're socializing with him. You will be compared to him. You're not going to be compared to the Delhi guy because the Delhi guy doesn't socialize with. So you would rather a local Goan don't come up and the Delhi guy is left alone. He's not hampered or helped in that way. He's just left alone, which is very good for business.
If not Goa, where else? What are the plans now?
Oh, loads of plans. Dubai, as I said, Toronto, then parts of Ukraine as well. We're going to do business in. Definitely in Africa, we're going to export our alcohol and many other things.